Hi guys, so today we're going to make lip balm. Here's a tutorial. So basically, you're going to need some Vaseline, any kind. You're going to put it in a container, but make sure it's not that much so you have room to put some other ingredients in. So you could only use a little bit, and then you could add color and make it a bigger lip gloss. So now I'm going to open my coconut oil, which is very hard. So give me a second here. Okay, so I got my coconut oil open and ready. And then now I'm going to grab a bit. You could use anything to mix it. I'm using a chopstick. So I'm going to pour some into the Vaseline and simply mix it. It smells so good. So I'm going to mix it in. Mixing it. So after it's done, then I'm going to grab any coloring you want. But like, I have other lip glosses, so I'm going to use them to pour in to add more color. So I'm going to use that pink one, and I'm going to pour it in. So it's super simple. And then now I'm going to pour in the other one. Okay, so I actually finally opened at least one. So I'm going to add some of a glitter one in there. And then I'm going to close it up. So then I'm going to add a little bit of lip gloss. Yeah. And then it's color it, and then I'm going to mix it. Okay, so now that I mix the color in, it's a perfect color, so I'm going to try it on. It smells really good, but it's not showing that much because with lip balm, you have to freeze it. So I'm going to freeze it all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Craft Kids, bye.